Welcome back to our channel, Heartbeat Creativity. My mama is gonna teach you how to make butterflies.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to make this flying butterfly. Are you all excited? Yes? So let's get started. To make the butterfly, we will need some colorful papers, a pair of scissors, pencil, glue, a sellotape, and you can use a straw. You need two straws, or else you can make such kind of straws or a tube. One will be a little thin and one will be a thicker size, because this has to go inside. So I'll be again teaching you how to make these kinds of tubes as well. And for decoration,
What about these glitter, Mom?
yes, so for decoration we can use these kinds of anything that you have at home which is easily available. You can use for decoration or some kind of stickers and some sketch pens. So let's start. So to make the butterfly, we will first draw a sketch of a butterfly, a normal butterfly, whichever is easy for you, you can make. But in the middle, we have to make a rectangle first. So you just take a ruler and draw a rectangle. You can make a 4-inch rectangle or a small rectangle shape you can make. Okay. Like this you'll make a rectangle, and from here you will start making the butterfly's wings in both the sides. So to just show you, I'll use a sketch pen so that it's visible to you. And once you fold, you will get the second. So one side you make and you just fold it from the center. Okay. So the other side you can cut it off. So take the paper into half. Done. Now we will cut the border. So when you open, you get a butterfly shape. So what you need to do is, again in this end, we will give it a fold. Okay, here we will give a fold. So when you open, you will first pull half, and the corners you will fold. You just twist the corner, and when you open, you will get a beautiful butterfly.
Wow!
Yes. So now what we have to do next, we'll see.
Now do we need the sticks?
Yes, now we'll make the sticks for the butterfly so that it can fly. The stand you have, if you have a straw, you can use a normal straw to make this. If you don't have a straw, take a pencil and again make a tube, like you have to put the end inside and you will stick this off. So you'll get a tube, and you can trim the two ends. Finally we will get two tubes. So one you can make it a little bigger, little fatter one. So you can see in this. Another one a little smaller one, so that it can easily get inside. So now what you have to do is, the thinner one, take the thinner one and in that mark 2 inch. Alright, this much, like your finger you can take, small finger, show Mishu's finger. Yes, see your pointer finger, this much you can mark and we'll cut it. I'll show you how to cut. So this much you will be marking. Alright, so we'll take the scissors and keep in the center. See, like this you will be going to cut from the middle you will slit. Hope you can see. Yes, we slit it like this till the line we have drawn. So we will slit it till here. Okay, same way the second one we will mark little longer than that. Okay, first one we have marked till here and we have slit it. Second one little more longer, 1 more inch extra we'll keep, and we will, see my finger, till here you can mark it. And then same way again keep the scissors in the center, you can see, and you can cut till the line we have marked. Understood? Now we will take the thinner one, the thinner tube we'll take, and what we need to do is we will put it inside till the line. Okay, see, can you see how I have inserted it? Yes, from the middle till the bend, till here you have to insert it from both the sides. Can you see? Yes, so we'll do this and then we will take the cello tape and stick it here.
Put the next straw.
Yes, so once we have completed the sticking, we will now take the fattest straw which we have cut, and see, this slit is there. You can see the slit here. Yes, so we'll insert this tube inside now. Okay, we'll insert this tube like this and go till up, till here we'll go. And then same way we will put cello tape here as well. Yes, thank you, Mishu. This side also we'll put the cello tape and seal both the sides. And now let's start the magic. So see, the big tube and the small tube is seen outside. Okay, so this will be your stand to pull. So how you will do? Just have to push it inside, outside, inside, outside. I will fly, flip, flap, flip, flap.
Yay! Oh, Mama, I just love it.
So now let's do the decoration on the butterfly. Whatever decoration you need, you can do according to you. You can decorate the butterfly, and don't forget to put the antennas. Yes. Take a small, any color paper or a stick or anything you have at home. Just cut a thin strip out of it. Okay, like this, and make a small eye on it. And you get a antenna. Alright. So this is helping me to decorate. So here's our flying butterflies ready.
Yes. So friends, hope you all know how to make this flying butterfly.
Do try this at home and send us the pic in our Instagram our Facebook ID. It's mentioned below, and we will be uploading the pics in our next episode. So thank you for watching. Till then, take care and be happy. Don't forget to
like and share and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.